Lift our flag high. Sanyatwe rallies warriors ahead of Benin clash. By sports correspondent Vertical Bar, the 6th of September 2025. Harare Minister of Sport, Recreation, Arts and Culture Hun. LT Gen, RTD. Ambassador Anselm Sanyatwe has issued a stirring message of encouragement to the Warriors as they prepare to face Benin in a crucial 2026 FIFA World Cup qualifier in Côte d'Ivoire. In a statement on Thursday, Sanyatwe called on the men's senior national football team to embody the pride and resilience of Zimbabwe when they step onto the pitch. Warriors, you carry with you the hopes, dreams, and spirit of an entire nation. We are rallying behind you with pride and belief. Step onto that pitch with courage, not fear, play with heart, with honor, and with the determination that defines Zimbabwean resilience, he said. He urged the team to lift our flag high, reminding them that every pass, tackle, and goal should reflect the unity and strength of Zimbabwe. Turning to the technical bench, Sanyatwe urged Coach Michael Nees and his staff to provide steady leadership. To Coach Nees and the entire technical team, steer the ship with clarity and conviction. Know that the nation stands firmly behind your efforts. Let this be the moment Zimbabwe rises, together in pursuit of the World Cup dream. The minister concluded with a rallying call. Go Warriors, make us proud. Meanwhile, the Benin Football Association has confirmed that a minute of silence will be observed before kickoff in memory of former international striker Razak Amatoyasi, who passed away last month. The Warriors face Benin in a decisive Group C clash, with the outcome expected to play a key role in shaping their road to the 2026 FIFA World Cup.